G'day folks. Well, hopefully I'll be able to throttle down the pressure on this power steering pump and use it as a turbocharger oil supply system. It's slowly warming up, just idling 51.2 Hertz on the AC motor, and it's just pumping regular engine oil. I haven't put diesel engine oil in it yet, which is slightly lighter weight, but this is just dirt cheap Repco oil, and it works quite well. I don't want to aerate it too much. The pump does make angry noises when it gets air through it. Well, that's a General Motors Family 1 engine, aka Daewoo Lanos and Holden Chimera, that sort of thing, pump. Opel Corsa, I think, has these. Basic generic Motors power steering pump, 3-phase motor and a variable frequency drive, inverted type. It's working quite well. Like, it's lukewarm, it's warmer than ambient, definitely warmer than the motor, so we are building up a bit of heat. Yeah, Alex recommended maybe 5 litres oil capacity and an oil cooler, high pressure oil cooler running off the discharge side. So I'm going to make one out of stainless steel, 152mm stainless steel tubing, and whatever fittings I can TIG weld onto it. Just a piece of stainless like this stuff. That's an offcut of spiral wound 152 stainless tubing, so I'll just take an offcut about, I don't know, yay high, and turn it into a oil tank and have the suction and inlet return lines connected to it. Should be pretty easy. The more oil volume the better, you can dissipate heat easier, and the return from the turbocharger cannot be under pressure, or else it will force oil through the bearings, through the seals and into the turbocharger compressor and exhaust turbines themselves. Not a good thing. So 62 Hertz. That would make a mess if it got loose. Still, no matter what the speed, it's pumping, it's working. Shouldn't be a problem to regulate this down. I'll just make a big bypass valve, open the valve, dump back to tank and reduce the line pressure. It's as simple as that. Plus I can vary the speed of the VFD to fine tune the pressure as well. So I've got pressure control in motor speed and in line pressure. All I want is 50 to 60 psi for that turbo. Shouldn't be a problem at all. Just got to build my reservoir and plumb it all in. Make an oil cooler. I've got a good auto trans cooler on the shelf. I think I've actually got a couple of auto trans coolers and some small 240 volt fans. So I'll run 240 volt to the motor and drive, 240 volt to the fan and motor. The rest of the turbine should be pretty good.